How to link Steam to Marvel Rivals account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about linking Steam to Marvel Rivals account. So now let's get started. So linking and unlinking your network account with Marvel Rivals is straightforward. For that, you have to open your Google and then go to marvelrivals.com, and once you're in the official website, click on the login button in the top right corner that is beside the download option. Tap on it. Here numerous options will be displayed on the screen, and from these options you're supposed to click on Steam as you want to link your Steam to Marvel Rivals. Tap on Steam. It will redirect you to the official website of Steam. So in this page, type in your account name or your email that is associated with your Steam account in the first box, and then type in your password in the second. Check this box of Remember Me if you want this Google Chrome web browser or the system to remember your credentials for the future login, and then click on Sign In that is highlighted in blue color. Once you're logged in, use your email and username to access the account you wish to link to your Marvel Rivals network. So this was all about it. If you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.